Hello there, this is Salim. Our lesson today is going to be how to use the remote control to start the video. You need to enable it first, as you see there, here, absolutely, so enable it, that's it, you're done. The remote control is here. You need to do something very special here. See here, you have an option to go to 2 seconds up or no time. You see there, 2 seconds. So I make it at 2 seconds. That's it, you're done, babe. It's on. It is rolling and off, on, off. Well, this is original Canon remote control. It works for almost all the Canon DSLR cameras for both pictures and videos. So if I want to go to the video, to the picture, let's go to the picture and let's see. Of course, I need to do something very important here. So it's not that. I need to make sure that this guy here, it is on remote. Here, it has to be like that, otherwise it wouldn't work. That's it, man. We're done. This is 2 seconds. That's why it does like that. See again. If I want it to be only for 1 second, so I have to return that option over there to normal again, and that's it. So that's it, as easy as that. Yep. Of course, the range, I think it can reach up to 10 meters, especially with the new DSLRs. It can reach up to 10 meters. So this is the original Canon RC, I think 6, something like that. There are many types actually. There are those old ones. Also, these ones can work. This is also Canon original. Well, it can do the same thing. Of course, you just need to do the right setting here. 1 second. That's it. 1 second. That's it. And there is another one here with the cable. Also, this is Canon original with the cable, but this one doesn't really put on the videos. Absolutely not. Right. What else? Let me show you some other few stuff. Also, this one, the third party, it is working as well, but this one doesn't work for the videos. Only the original guys here work for the videos. Also, the cable one doesn't work for the video. This is a very old ones. Thank you very much, guys. This is Sal.